Birthday list begins with Lucas Hendricks. Got out on the playground right there. I don't blame him one bit. Lucas celebrating number 4. He is in Parsons. We got the MENGARELLI twins. Love those shirts, guys. You guys look good in those right there. Avery and EMERY, MENGARELLIs. They are turning 6 years old and they rule the town of Hepler. Cooper Minton, he's also 6. Happy birthday, Coop. Long time no see, man. Go have a great, great weekend. Blaine Tatum. Oh, Blaine already up to 9 years old. And a happy birthday to you, Blaine. You go get him in Carl Junction. And Eli Monte. Oh, now we're talking. That's how you celebrate your birthday right there, Eli. I love that, man. I hope you have a chance to get out this weekend and do a little additional fishing as well. Eli turning 15 in Parsons. Bill Ellis, get the driver's license and make it official, because Bill is celebrating his 16th. And Bill, I want you to know, no matter how old you get, and you think, you know, you're like, I'm a young man. No, you still get birthday wishes with love from the whole family. Happy birthday, Bill. Dylan Coles, he is 24 in Joplin. And Dylan, I got some birthday wishes for you as well, as those come with love from Mom, Sean, Chandler, Hunter, and Grayson. And Samantha Hatch, her 34th birthday. Sam, a happy birthday. And this one coming from your mom. You see, you're never too old to get birthday wishes from Mom. Erica Payne, a happy 40th birthday to you. And Lisa Leverns, she is turning 44. Happy birthday, Lisa. Run out to St. Paul. Rick Clark, has 49th birthday. Rick, have a great, great weekend. And in Arcadia, Dwayne Allen. Hey, he's got cool kids too. How about that? Happy birthday to Dwayne as he turns 68. Henry Bell, an 86th birthday. Mr. Bell, I want you to have a very happy birthday weekend, sir. He is in Chautauqua. Let's go down to McCune, where Ann Egbert celebrates a birthday. Ann, I want you to have a marvelous day. Tammy Bunce in Crestline with a birthday as well. Great picture right there. Happy birthday, Miss Tammy. And Holly Johnson, she is celebrating in Columbus. And Ed O'Brien as well. Ed O'Brien is in Asbury. Everybody's got great smiles here this morning. Greatly appreciate that. Holly, happy birthday, and Ed, a happy birthday as well. Chris and KAYLEE DULEY, double digits, 10th anniversary. Congratulations to the Duleys. They are in Carl Junction. And Matt and Amber Alloway, just 1 year before the Duleys got married, the Alloways got hitched. Matt and Amber celebrating their 11th. Congratulations, Matt and Amber in Parsons. Donna Richardson, she celebrates her birthday in Joplin. Daniel Veenstra Jr. is in Mound Valley, turning 67. And Justin Reno, a happy birthday to you. Justin is in Piqua. Caroline Falk, we'll tell you what, kiddo, we'll put you last right there so we can celebrate your big 5th birthday. So if anybody's running around Pittsburgh and you see Caroline out and about, I want everybody to give her big birthday girl wishes. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can submit them to. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go on the web, KOAMNewsNow.com, and submit them that way as well. While you're there on KOAMNewsNow.com, I had to do a water break. I will go make it through that. While you're at KOAMNewsNow.com, remember, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club, get special deals from our 4 state businesses, and like I said, I was going to say take about 30 seconds of your time. Probably wouldn't take that much. Probably do it in 15 to 20. We should race and see who can sign up fastest. Oh yeah, go to KOAMNewsNow.com, and that's how you sign up for the Birthday Club today. Past 10